So they all knew that I like Black Forest and they got Black Forest only for me. So we have 3 Black Forest. This is from Fraser, Jasper and Joshua.
Only this cake doesn't have the name because it's a Lully Boy cake.
So this guys gave me a surprise. I was totally unaware that this things will happen. Like I knew that my girlfriend would get, but very surprising. And the best part is that all of them knew that I like Black Forest, so they all got Black Forest only for me. I came to change because there was all cake on me. So we are just sitting there. Ian is here, and he's playing PUBG. We can just see his state. Actually, the Wi-Fi isn't working, so that's why we even went to upload the video on the mount on the previous video. And yeah, I'll go down now. We'll just sit for some time and then we'll go to sleep. Tomorrow I have to get up early to go for mass also. Hey guys, good morning. So we are going for mass. The time is 7:57. The mass will be starting at 8. So we are actually getting late. I think, but 3 minutes are fine for us to reach. And this will be the first time that I'll be actually reaching early for the mass. Otherwise every day I'm late. So my girl is here. She's putting something, I think, a gold chain. But yeah, so the plan for today is first is mass and then there is a wedding ritual. Not sure if we are going over there. Actually it's cutting off the sardo. I also don't know what is the meaning, what it is and exactly how it is. So if we go over there, I'll make sure that I make a separate video of that and a separate video for the birthday vlog. So yeah, I'll just go to the church now.
2 hours later.
So we are done with the mass. Actually, there was a lot of there were a lot of people today because it's a Sunday also and it's an Advent Sunday. But normally there is not much rush. So right now we are going to get breakfast. Let's see what we get actually. So because on Sundays mostly the things get over very fast. But we'll try our luck. We'll see what's there for this thing. We have come here. Let's see what they have. We took stuff from there. This is for home, patties and all that. But we wanted bhaji. I'll ask at home if they want bhaji and I'll take for them as well. But we were craving for bhaji, so that's why we came here. So we'll just go to Monami now. So we took keema bread. Baby girl is here. She's just waiting for me to record the video and start having. She's just in a position that she'll just gap on it. We had breakfast and we are come to the mount now. We wanted to click some pictures, so we are here. I went home, gave the breakfast what I got and got the tripod. Now we'll just decide if we'll be clicking photos that side or here. This idea, no? Okay. So it's quite hot actually. And the weather is also it's a dew everywhere, it's it's not clear, you see. So we knew that after the photo, after clicking photos we'll be dehydrated. So we are already ready. We got Nimbus for us. I got for me. I don't know what she will be having. So we just started clicking pictures. This is our setup here. And when we came, it was looking good. The entire place around was looking good. But all of a sudden the sun went out and it's full. We are getting all pale pictures. We'll have to do a lot of post editing. But when we came, there were we could really click good pictures. But it was just for 2-3 minutes. So I don't know. Looking at the clouds, it does not look also that the sun will be out soon. We'll click some more pictures and then we'll go from here. So we are done with our photo shoot and we are moving to this thing. We are moving for the sardo cutting. So the sardo cutting, you know, will be a separate video. This video is not going to end here. It's going to be a full continuation of the day, because you know, if I put that in the video, then it will be like a 20 minutes video, which I don't want it to be. I try to keep my videos, you know, within the range of 6 to 10 minutes, not even 15. I rarely touch 15. Like since I started daily vlogging, at least I'm not putting 15 minutes vlogs. So I'll make a separate video for that, but this video will still continue on. So yeah, they called us quite early, meaning they told us that it will start at 11:30, but it's already 11:20 and we have to reach to Panchwadi. Panchwadi na ita na? We have to reach to Panchwadi, but I don't think so, looking at this pace and the traffic in front, it is possible to reach, but still we'll try our best. So we have reached the place. I'll just take a turn and park the car, and it looks like they waited for us, so we'll just quickly go.
A few minutes later.
So I just got ready and I asked my granny how I look. I'll ask her again, let's see if she can. Maya, कैसे हो दिए? I'll just show you what I was now. So this is what I'm wearing. My granny has already given me a green signal that I am looking good. So I'm on cloud 9 right now. So a few family members are coming and few friends. I'm just waiting for them. The time is 9:30. Our functions always start late, but it's fine, and they end late also. So we'll just wait for them, let them come. Actually, it's very hot and I'm sweating a lot. My baby girl is getting ready. Okay, so we'll just wait for them then. So I was just asking my granny, let's see if she wishes me. Otherwise, when she was good, she used to stay at the old house. But whenever it was my birthday, she would come automatically to wish me. She would come here, she would give me money also. But now, since she tends to forget things, it's okay. I birthday मुगे wish केलती माका. आणि birthday मुगे birthday. ओय. किती मुठाई?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
She wished me finally. I am more attached to my granny, I think, more than anyone. Maka, आता 25. होय.
Kada jaba mare.
होय. 25 तू कसा जात आहे नू? तू कितनाचे झाले? मागे. Okay, so we'll just wait for this guy now. Meet the boys. They just went to play on the ground after having bath. So everyone here has come. Everyone is here.